Hey, mamahoss here. This morning we're going to make some jalapeno cowboy candy. Gonna throw a little twist in there. Gonna add some pineapple. So come on in the kitchen with me and we'll make some. Let's go gather some jalapenos. The frost has kind of got my jalapenos, so I'm gathering them all to make this cowboy candy / pickled jalapenos with pineapple. So this is the last of the jalapenos we have. First, we're just going to give them a good wash and go through there and pick out any that might have some bad spots on them. Let them dry a little bit. Okay, for this, first thing you're going to need is 4 cups of sugar. And to this 4 cups of sugar, we're going to add 3 cups of apple cider vinegar. We're going to turn this on. Let's get all that sugar melted in there. And then the other ingredients, I've got them all mixed up here together, is 2 tablespoons of salt, a tablespoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of mustard seed. So we're going to go ahead and add that in there. And we're just going to give that a stir and let this come to a boil, and then turn it down and let it simmer while we get our jalapenos ready. Okay, now that it's come to a boil and all that's dissolved, I'm going to lower the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Next, you want to get your jalapenos ready. Cut that end off. Make sure there's no bad spots. And I'm going to take out some of that seed. I'll leave some in there, but Greg doesn't like things really hot. So I'm going to take out some of that seed. There'll be some left. After I cut up these jalapenos, I put them in the sugar and vinegar mixture and let them sit on medium heat for exactly 2 minutes. Don't want to cook them too long. I even threw in some poblanos in here that I had in the garden. It calls for 2 cups of chunked pineapple. This is fresh pineapple, and I'm just going to cut it up into small pieces. Okay, I take the pineapple and put in the bottom of my clean, sterilized jars, about 2 tablespoons. So you can see how these have kind of changed colors a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take the jalapenos and fill the rest of the jar. I'm straining them from this vinegar sugar mixture, and I'm going to leave about a 1-inch headspace at the top. Oh, this smells so good. I'm going to take the rest of the pineapple and just put just a few little chunks here on top. Next, we take this leftover vinegar after we take the jalapenos out and Pour in our pint jars, leaving about a 1-inch headspace. Next, we're going to take a clean paper towel or dishcloth and get anything that might be on that rim to prevent it from sealing. And then we're going to put our lids and bands on and drop them in a hot water bath. These process for 15 minutes. I had 12 pint jars, so I had to do them in 2 batches. These look so pretty. They are really good on a cracker with cream cheese. We've had them with some chicken salad. We've had them on our hamburgers. There's just all kind of ways. And it really didn't turn out like cowboy candy. It turned out more like a pickled jalapeno pineapple mixture. It turned out really well. I was very pleased. Once you let them sit undisturbed for 24 hours, check your seals, make sure they're sealed. Be sure to label them and then store them properly. Hope you enjoyed the video.